NYT filed a case against OpenAI for copyright infringement. They announced it in August this year, and from then they've been gathering evidence. So now when you give ChatGPT a prompt, it gives you the exact same result, or the response is the same as an NYT article. We don't really know what the prompt is, but it's the same thing. And with this evidence, they're going forward with the case.
Okay. It sounds like our Bollywood, the infamous musician who has copied content from all over the world, like different years. He has been accused of stealing music from from other countries' national anthem also.
Yeah.
Well, on a serious note, this is not the first time an NYT has when a company has filed similar lawsuit against OpenAI. In the past, different individuals and companies, they have also filed similar cases. Well, when we talk about NYT contends that OpenAI has trained its AI model based on millions of articles published by New York Times. So that's a big accusation. And you see that a news organization which has spent millions of dollars and has a history of 150 years to build that reputation, an authentic source of information. And you see that, that the business model they have built, that business model is being bulldozed by a company which has trained its model based on, on New York Times articles only.
And, yes, Anderson Horowitz, the company, they put out a statement saying the more we take AI companies to court, then the technological advancements will slow down over time. And it is important that these models train on quality data, but that should be a more collaborative process than, putting the creators, artists, writers at a disadvantage, because at the end of the day, these models are making money out of trained data or of content that the others have created, humans have made.
I think Anderson Horowitz, the company has invested in so many AI platforms, and of course, they will favor these AI platforms to talk about such things that this will hamper AI development and all, whatever.
Yeah.
But another part is like when we talk about collaboration. I support that part. Like when a new technology is coming up, AI technology is developing, so they have to take a collaborative approach, as OpenAI did with Associated Press and another German publisher, Axel Springer, which that publishes magazines like Politico and Business Insider. So that's a commendable approach. But when you talk about you have to infringe upon others' data and content just to build your own platform, that doesn't sound morally correct.
But now NYT went ahead and changed their terms and conditions, saying that AI or any crawler and scrapers, they cannot access their website, and they should not access it if they don't want to be taken to court as well.
Right.
So like that, Microsoft and OpenAI, they also updated their services saying if you do not want your website to be crawled, then you can block the crawlers and scrapers that AI models use generally. So this, it's a personal choice of copyright, but if you want quality data sets, then using websites with good information seems one way to go about it.
So the thing is, like, for that they have to go with partnership. Like they have to partner with these companies. But when you talk about this particular case, this NYT case, this lawsuit, I don't think that this will completely going to be in favor of NYT. Because of other roadblocks, like data sets and all.
Yeah.
So
the thing is, the evidence that they did show, you have the prompt, which is again very unclear. We don't know what the prompt that was given to ChatGPT, which elicited the response that was very similar to their content. So we don't know what the prompt was, and we don't know if ChatGPT can recreate that. So in court, I'm sure they'd be asked to do the same thing again, because it's only a written text as of now in the document. If you ask ChatGPT the same question again and again, it gives you a different response. It doesn't give you the same response every time. So it seems dubious, and there are, as you said, there are many roadblocks to this case. We don't know how this will end, but it is one of the biggest cases for copyright,
Right.
at least something that is gone further ahead than the other cases, at least we've seen until now.
Maybe the code says the OpenAI to reveal the data set and all. So that will be a completely different case. And if that happens, then
I think that would be brilliant. We can find out.
We don't
finally.
know because there are so many things which will unfold after that if that particular thing happens. So we don't know that, we are not sure about.
But it would be a good thing, I guess, for authors and creators if we are able to finally find out what the sources are of these data sets, where it's if their work has been trained upon. So for for ethical compensation, as you said, it
Might be. We'll see.